time I could not figure out how to open this lock. So I asked one of my good lockpicking friends, and he gave me some instructions on how to do it, and now I can do it. The trick is extremely light tension. It's all about the tension, because there's at least 2 security pins in here, which are mushroom, spool, or serrated pins. So the light tension allows them to fall down to the shear line. And I'm using the method I used to do the deadbolt, but a lot softer. There we go. That's it.